how to change Spotify color. Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a process to change the Spotify color in the dark or light mode. So let's head over to Spotify for that. And once we are headed over there, the thing is, there is no such built-in feature, the built-in light mode for Spotify. So even though you go ahead and work around in the Spotify's interface, you will be finding no such option to change your color. But what we can do is we have a workaround for that. We can use our phone's accessibility features usually for that. So we may head over to our settings, and once we are headed to our settings, scroll down, look out for accessibility, tap on it, and what we need to do is we need to go to visibility enhancements, and within there look out for this option called color inversion. So look out for this option called invert colors or smart invert on your Android device and tap on it. And it should totally reverse the colors but keep the images and media very intact. So you can just go over, and once you have turned on, you can see the whole display being changed. So what we can do is we can head over to Spotify, and when we head over to Spotify, we should be finding the color being changed, the display color being changed into a light mode instead of the dark mode. We can see the whole interface being in a light mode, which may be something we may be looking for. So you can just go and use this feature if you're trying to not use any kind of third party application scam. If you want to turn it off, you can go to your settings once again. And once we head over to settings again, we can head over to the section for accessibility. And within here, we may turn this option off for visibility enhancement, the color inversion. You may turn it off. And there we go. And when we head back to Spotify, we'll be finding it in its default color, which is the dark mode. It's just like that. So as of now, light mode is not available in Spotify, so we need to have this workaround for that. Usually, we may follow these steps. So if this video was helpful, be sure to hit the like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.